Glad to see all our Chinmaya family members together. So Jairam Anand told me several times and he telephoned me, then we had many emails. So it was nice to come here and more than anything to meet all of you together. Otherwise, there is no time to see each and everybody. And also we had been to Sitabari and that also got more inspiration. Gurudev is sitting there in that window with that cap, winter cap, shawl and everything, as though perfectly he is sitting, waiting for all of us. What a wonderful scene. The Himalayas completely covered with snow. First day when I went, I was feeling so cold. But afterwards, second day onwards, I started enjoying. Then third day, I didn't want to come back. I wanted to stay there. Beautiful, morning and evening, Gurudev's Arati, all the brahmacharis are coming together. What a wonderful scene. I think all of you must visit Sitabari. The beautiful name Sitabari itself. In this universe, everybody is searching. Everybody is busy. All of them are searching. The animals are searching. The birds are searching. The human beings, they are all searching. Searching what? The child is searching what? A toy. Or in the beginning, mother. Only in the beginning they want mother. Later they don't want. At the age of 13, no mother, no father. They don't want. But when the child always asks mother, searching the mother all the time. Then the toys. Then the youths, what they search. Everybody knows what they search. But nowadays they search www, googles.com. What is that W? Work, no worship. Work, wisdom and wealth. These three things they want. So they are also searching. Then Grahasthas, what they search? They search always job, the present situation, job only, and the money. Then later, old age, what they search? God or gurus. This is what happening. But in our case, all the Chinmaya families, all the mission members, we are so lucky. I think because of our previous Janma, we must have done something. So we could get, we didn't even go and search. But the Guru came to us. What a wonderful thing. At the exact time, I think we were all ready and Guru came to us. He had 3 Gurus. Chattambi Swamigal, Gurudev was so young, at that time he had the first Guru. Chattambi means a rowdy. And from him, he learned all the courage, the fearlessness. How many qualities he had. See, the first quality he got it from Chattambi Swamigal. Then later from Swami Shivanandaji. From Shivananda Swami he got that love and compassion. And he cuts jokes all the time, Swami Shivanandaji. So that love has come from him. And the letter writing has come from him. How many letters he used to write? Every child can get a letter. So that quality came from Swami Shivanandaji. Then later Swami Tapovan Maharaj. From Tapovan Maharaj he got that tabas. The knowledge and the vairagya, everything has come from Swami Tapovan Maharaj. And then he was with us for the last 50 years. How much we enjoyed. We touched him. We listened to him. We saw him. What else we need? I think we must all take one more Janma to come back and serve Chinmaya Mission. Last when he was leaving from San Diego, Venkatrangan's house, he was in stretcher when he was leaving at that time. he said bye-bye to everybody, and then he said, continue this. That is what happening. See, the third generation has come already. See, Vijay's daughter. I didn't know that Vijay has got a daughter. Vijay was so young at that time, 30 years back. Now his daughter is singing. How many generations? Now the Balavihars. And that is what Gurudev said. No Balavihar child will go wrong. That's what happening. How many Balavihar centers? Even USA, every nook and corner you can see a Balavihar. And many temples, they all started the Balavihar. But the curriculum, the syllabus is ours. And they always want that red book, My Prayer. Recently I saw a lady, and she is old. She must be 60-year-old. She said, I was a Balavihar child from Madras. Then I asked, who was your teacher? She said, my teacher was one Ganesh. All those people, even now coming back, after some, the wedding, and even our youths, when they get married, they go for some time, then, but definitely they will come back. That spirit is already within them. So the work is going so much all over the world. Gurudev is working all the 24 hours now. He is reaching everywhere. He is bringing money. He is bringing people. He is bringing senders. What else we need? But we have to do our work. We have to go to that sender and get this knowledge. How many books are coming out? How many CDs are coming out? And all his talks at different areas, different places, we are collecting now and making CDs and DVDs. The time has come. And how many lectures he has given? Every day, 50 years, 365 days, every day, morning and evening, he was giving talks. All those talks are available with different people, but we are trying to collect that and making DVDs. So all this work is going on so well, and I am so glad our youths are coming up and made a beautiful group. And weekly once they are all meeting, I think. Inspiration from Gurudev, because all of them have seen Gurudev. So that never stops. So today I thought, today's this program, we really wanted to dedicate for our senior mission members, those who left the body. Many of them have worked so much with Gurudev. I remember how many of our people, Madras and Bombay, from the beginning, 1952 onwards, they were all with Gurudev. And they looked after Gurudev so well. They looked after all the brahmacharis. And when we were studying, everything they used to bring. All those people, they worked so hard for the Chinmaya Mission and the growth of the Chinmaya Mission. And because of their work and hard work, this mission has grown so big, like a huge banyan tree. Under that, we are all one Chinmaya family.